Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into Bland.ai, a cutting-edge platform that automates phone calls using conversational AI. Bland.ai offers AI phone agents that sound human, speak any language, and operate 24/7. These agents can handle tasks like sales, scheduling, and customer support seamlessly. The pricing is straightforward, 9 cents per minute for active call time. This usage-based model ensures you pay only for what you use, making it cost-effective for businesses handling large call volumes. Key features include voice cloning. Create unique voice profiles for your agents. API integration. Connect with external systems like CRMs and ERPs to perform actions during calls. Real-time call transfers. Seamlessly hand off calls to human agents when necessary. Scalable infrastructure. Handle thousands of concurrent calls with 99.99% uptime. Bland.ai is particularly suited for enterprises looking to enhance customer interactions while reducing operational costs. For instance, replacing routine calls with Bland AI's support at $0.09 per minute can significantly lower expenses compared to traditional call centers. If you're exploring AI-driven solutions for customer engagement, Bland.ai is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights. See you next time.